So if you're on foot walking, you're in a crosswalk, you have the right of way, that's fine. Get your damn head out of your damn phone. You are putting your life, your safety, your well-being in the hands of somebody else. You're hoping that whoever's driving that vehicle is going to be paying attention. One moment of distraction, you're a grease spot. Leaving the scale in Oklahoma earlier, I'm stopped. Homie never looked up. He never saw me sitting there stopped waiting for him. He's just looking at his phone, completely paying attention to his phone, not paying attention to where he's walking. Never saw there was a truck sitting there. Pay attention to where you're going. Don't put your safety in someone else's hands. Don't trust that somebody driving is going to see you and stop.